In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up signing groups in DocuSign following the easiest way outlined in our 2025 guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to efficiently manage signing groups within DocuSign, making your document workflow smoother and more organized. First, you'll need to log in to your DocuSign account. Start by heading over to DocuSign.com and clicking on the Login button. Once you've logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner where your profile icon is located. Click on it and then select Admin. Remember, you'll need admin privileges to proceed with these steps. This will open up the admin console. Here you'll find various options, but for our purpose today, navigate to Users and Groups and then select Signing Groups. This section is your gateway to creating and managing signing groups. Next, let's create a new signing group. Look for the Add Signing Group button and give it a click. Here, you're tasked with entering a group name. Think about a name that best describes the purpose of the group, such as HR approvers or finance signers. This will make it easier to identify the group later on. Now, it's time to add members to your group. You can individually enter the names and email addresses of all the people you want in this group. Alternatively, if you're handling a larger team, you can import these members from a CSV file, which can save you significant time. Once you've added all the necessary members, don't forget to click Save to finalize the creation of your signing group. Moving on, let's explore how to use your signing group within an envelope. Navigate to the Start option, then click on Send an Envelope. Here, you'll start by uploading the document you intend to send and adding the intended recipients. In the Add Recipients section, you have the option to choose between individual recipients and a signing group. Choose Signing Group to use the group you've just created. Select the appropriate group, for instance, HR approvers, from your list of signing groups. You can also decide the signing order, which dictates if the approvals should happen sequentially or concurrently. This feature can be crucial depending on the document's importance and the workflow you need. Sequential signing ensures each member signs in a specific order, while parallel signing allows all members to sign at their convenience. After setting the signing order, click Next. At this point, you'll place the signature and any other required fields on the document for the group role. Once you're satisfied with everything, you're all set. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up and utilize signing groups in DocuSign, streamlining your document management process and ensuring a more organized workflow. Thanks for watching, and